In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Todoist account. We'll walk through the entire process from the very beginning, so even if you're completely new to Todoist or to productivity apps in general, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, click once to highlight it, then type the word Todoist and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to a Google search results page for Todoist. On the results page, look for the official Todoist website. It should be one of the top results and will clearly say Todoist in the title, usually with a description mentioning task management or to-do lists. Go ahead and click on that result to open the Todoist homepage. Once the Todoist website loads, you'll see their main landing page. Here, find the button that says Start Free. This is usually located near the center of the page or in the top right corner. Click on Start Free to begin the sign-up process. This will take you to a page where you can choose how you want to create your account. On the sign-up page, Todoist will offer you a few options. Typically, you can sign up with a Google account, with another connected service, or with an email address and password. Take a moment to decide which option works best for you. If you prefer convenience and already use Google, you can select the Google option. If you like to keep your account separate, choose to sign up with email instead. After you've selected your sign-up method, you'll see on-screen prompts guiding you through the rest of the process. Carefully follow each prompt. If you chose to sign up with email, you'll need to enter a valid email address and create a secure password you can remember. If you chose a connected account, you may be asked to grant permission so Todoist can link to that account. Continue following the instructions on the screen until you see confirmation that your account has been created. Once you're done, Todoist may ask a few quick questions about how you plan to use the app, like for personal tasks, work projects, or school.